Hey, this is Stevie from Stevie's gaming videos again. I always get that. Anyways, today I'm going to show you how to set up a server. Now, if you want your mates to be able to connect to you from a different internet, you're going to have to do this thing called port forwarding. You can look up on Minecraft Wiki, just Google setting up a server, Minecraft Wiki, and something will pop up. You click on it, you scroll down to the part that says port forwarding, and you look it up from there. I personally have no idea how to do that. So we're going to start by opening up our web browser. I use Internet Explorer 10. You may use something different. It doesn't matter. Go to minecraft.net. Oops. Sorry about that. Minecraft.net. I'm going to go to download minecraftserver.exe. Now before you download it, you want to create a new folder on your desktop or anywhere, labeled my server or whatever. I'm going to name this one my server 2 because I already have my server and it won't work like that. Okay, what you want to do is you want to save this and then open the folder. You want to drag Minecraft server from the downloads into your folder. Now you open up your folder, you'll have the application, you run it. Hold on, just for a moment. I'm gonna copy my world I already had. Copy. Just so that I don't have to go through the lengthy process of creating. So when you run Minecraft server, you don't have to drag the world in there, by the way. I just did. You can just run Minecraft server by itself and it'll create a world for you. It depends on whether you want a fresh new world for your server or if you want to broadcast an existing world. Now it'll, oh, that won't work because I have to edit. Okay, that will not work. Okay, so I go in here and then delete this real quick. Delete. Yes. And, just for the purpose of keeping my video under 15 minutes, I'm going to cut through the preparing spawn area point because that takes like 3 minutes. Wait, is this? No. Okay. Sorry, my microphone stopped working. You can see it's done now. I'm going to type stop to stop the server just so I can illustrate how you edit the server.properties file. And it'll take a while, it'll automatically close out. So what you want to do is you want to go back into your server folder. You can skip this step if you want, but I highly recommend doing this. Open this in Notepad, and then look at some of these things. If you want to create a new world, you want to modify this, like make test. You can do super flat if you want. You just do super flat, level seed. Any seed, difficulty, you can put like 3 for hard, game mode, 2 for adventure, max players, 999. And then, you can do that. It'll create a new world with the name test, with level type super flat, with the seed la la la, and the difficulty hard, game mode adventure, 999 player maximum, and the name being random. But I'm not going to go through with that since it takes a while. You can also whitelist it to where you add their username. I'm going to whitelist myself. Okay. So username. Okay, now joining your server is a bit more complicated. Like I said before, if you want people to be able to join from other internets, you'll have to use port forwarding, which I know nothing about. But to join on the same internet, it's a lot simpler. If you're running on the same machine in Direct Connect, you just type local host with no spaces, and it'll connect you. But if your mates want to connect to you on the same internet, you go to a site like whatismyip.com or ipchicken.com, and it'll tell you your IP, and and then your mates will connect like 123.456.789.255:25565, and that could be your IP address. You'll just want to insert your IP address in place of 123.456.789.255. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to log in on the same machine, and then I'll end this video. So what you want to do is, if you're on default, what am I saying? I don't know what I'm even saying. I'm tired. It's past midnight here, which makes it morning. Yeah, I'm on the West Coast, so I can't complain. It's 3:24 in New York. I mean, oh, come on, Minecraft load. I'm gonna cut this out to the part. Okay, and I'm back, and this is how you connect when you're on the same machine. So you'll want to add server, or just do direct connect. You want to name it something like my server or whatever, and then it will be the IP address you'll put as localhost, like that. You'll want to join the server, logging in. If you're whitelisted, it'll log you in. If it's not whitelisted, I would recommend it's whitelisted. If it's private, of course, you can make it public. So then you spawn here, glitches, and boom, this is your world. Now the owner can /op. Can I do this real quick? No. You have to go in the server window to op someone. I'm gonna op myself. Do /op username. And then it'll make you an op. And it'll say server op username. And then you can use op commands like changing your game. Forgive me, my computer runs like crap. So yeah, that's pretty much how you set up a server. And Google port forwarding if you're interested in the public server. Okay, there's lots of server commands you can do. You should look this up. And Minecraft Wiki. So what you do, and to stop your server, you stop. Does this work? Okay, now stop. To force the save, you can do save all, then /stop, or just stop. You don't have to include a slash in the server window. And that will close this out. And then you can copy the IP into a file, or just not. You can drag worlds in there and stuff. And that's pretty much how you set up a server. Well, this is Stevie from Stevie's Gaming Videos, signing out.